Okay, so what I did now was I have my mold, and that's, where is my mold? And it's this mold here, the ice and candy mold with the tires that I was making the, what do you call it with? The favors. So what I did was my mug, my cake mug mix, my Weight Watchers. It's 1/3 of a cup mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. And when you get that full big mug cake, it's 3 points. So what I did was I took 2/3 of a cup and 4 tablespoons of water, and I sprayed the mold with the canola spray, and I put the whole mold in my air fryer here. So I had it on for 5 minutes on 320, and they appear to be done. So I'm just going to let them cool down for a minute, and I'm going to see how they come out. And if they come out good, then I'm going to make little tire cakes to go around his big tire cake. And this way, me and my sister-in-law and my niece, we can eat some of these. And I'll drizzle a little bit of the Lily's chocolate chips that, even if I just heat up like a tablespoon and just do a little drizzle, I'm sure that'll be 0 points. I know for like 2 tablespoons, it's 3 points. So, and that's 93 or 96 chips, something like that. So that's how I mixed up the mug cake. And I'm just going to see how they come out. So stay tuned. So I have another batch in the air fryer. And they're coming out super duper cute. I think they look like tires. And I get 14 little tires out of 3 mug cakes. So this is the equivalent of 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So I did 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/3 cup, which 3/3 is probably just 1 cup. I don't know, I'm not that great in math. But I think they look super cute, like little tires. So now, because 1/3 of a cup is 3 points, times 3, so that's 9 points divided by 14 that I'm going to get out of the whole batch, is actually 0.6, like a little over a half of a point each. But when you do it times 3, it comes out to 1.9, which means that 3 of these little cakes will be, I'm just going to say 2 points. So there you have it. How cute are these? Got 2 more in there. And then I got a few more to make, and they will be done. Little tire cakes. And I'm going to drizzle a little bit of chocolate, which probably just like a half a teaspoon of the Lily's melted chocolate chips, which that'll add like no points. So even if you wanted to say 1 point each, I think they're super cute. I think they look like tires. Can't really see the treads that well, but they'll serve their purpose. Alright, so that's my little tire cakes with the Weight Watchers mug cake mix. And if anybody doesn't know what that mix is, you can check out in my Weight Watcher playlist on my YouTube channel, and you will see my delicious mug cake. You'll see it there for 3 points, and how I make the mix and how I make the mug cake, usually in the microwave, but these I did in the air fryer. 320 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes, and boom, there you have it. It's done. And you just add water to this mix. No egg, no oil, no nothing. So, there you have it. All right, everyone. Take care. I'll be back soon.